I'm stuck deeper than a carrot in a garden! The pond overflowed and my tractor is sinking in the muck.
No job is too big, no pup is too small. We're on our way, Farmer Al.
PAW Patrol, ready for action! Ryder, sir! I'm okay. Just a little mudslide practice.
Planting field is a giant mud pit. We need specialized gear to get Farmer Al out. Rocky, you'll use your high-clearance rescue wheels truck. Zuma, you'll help redirect the water.
Green means go! Let's dive in.
Wow, that is one big mucky mess.
Barriers deployed! No more water getting into this mud pit! Just clearing the path for the big pull! I'm sliding toward the ditch!
Zuma, steady the back. Rocky, get ready for the big pull.
Anchored and ready, Ryder! Hooked up and ready to haul! Time for some monster power! You're doing it, Rocky! Keep pulling! You did it! My tractor is safe!
Whenever you're in a muddle, just yelp for help.
Nothing beats a pup-style wash.
A clear pond means a happy farm. Mission accomplished, Ryder.
Great work, pups. You used the right tools for a very tricky job. No more mud for me, at least for today. A clean truck is a ready truck. All quiet in Adventure Bay. Good night, everyone.
Remember, when the ground is soft, you need big tires to stay on top. You're the best team a leader could ask for.
Looking good. Thanks to the PA Patrol. Rescue work sure builds up an appetite.
It's a beautiful day for a flight, Ryder.
Safety first. Keep away from deep mud. This sensor will make the next mud rescue even faster. This is the kind of water I like, dude.
Say cheese, pups. Stay tuned for more Rescue Wheels adventures.